Hi guys, welcome to this session in Microsoft Word. In this module, I'll just show you how a master document works, how it can help you collaborate with colleagues to work on different elements of a document. So on the screen, I've got a blank document, which I'm going to save as master. So I'll just do Control S and then call it master. Now, if I go to the View tab, in the View tab, you've got different views. We're in print layout view at the moment, but you've got this outline view. If I click on that, you get the outline view with the option to use this master document area, which is what I want to focus on in this little session. So show documents, open that up. Now you can either create one from scratch and just have a blank document, or you can insert one that you've already created. Now, I haven't actually created any documents at the moment. So I'm going to create one and assume it's like a chapter 1 and create another one and assume it's like chapter 2 of a book that you're writing, but different people are writing different chapters. So if I just leave this open for a minute and just do Control N, and I'll call this chapter 1, and I'll get myself some random text by typing equals rand. That'll get me some text. I'll make that heading 1, and then I'll save this, Control S, let it be saved as chapter 1, save, Control W to close that down, Control N to get myself a new one, and this will be chapter 2, get myself some random text equals rand, open and close bracket, make that a heading style. You don't have to make it a heading style, but I like to. Control S to save that one as chapter 2, and then save it. And then close it, Control W. Control W means close window, so I'm not going up to the cross to close the whole program down. I'm still in Word, and I've come back to this master document that I saved earlier. So all you have to do now is you click on Insert in this case, and you pick Chapter 1. And Chapter 1 drops in, and then you click on Insert, and you select Chapter 2. So they're both sitting there like that. Now, I can collapse this down, okay, and it comes down like that as hyperlinks. Now the benefit of doing this is you could have 10 chapters with 10 different people working on them, and this is like where they're all coming together. You can put page numbers and table of contents on this document, which will pull them through from all the other documents, which is what I want to do now. So I've got a blank screen. Now I want to open chapter 1 to simulate that I'm working on it. Control O, chapter 1, open it. All I'll do is just make these first two lines bold. Control B, Control S to save it, and Control W to close it. Now if I open the master document, Control O, open the master document, it's got the hyperlinks there for that chapter 1. If I do Control and click on it, it's just going to go and open the document. It's like a shortcut. It is the path to that document, which is great. And I'll close that down, Control W. What I want to do is expand this and put a table of contents on. So let's go back to outline and let's expand this. So you can see that there, the two chapters, there's the bold bit that I did in chapter 1, so you can see it's working there. So if I get myself at the top of this, I want to go to the References tab and select a table of contents. Pick the first one, comes up, and it gives me the table of contents like that, and you can see it's in the document. So I've got the table of contents. If I go back to View and Page Layout, I can see the document, the whole thing, like so. Put that table of contents back how I had it, so it sits like that. It's better. Now, while I'm in this view, I can do Insert Page Numbers. So I'll go to the Insert tab and do Page Numbers. Put it at the bottom of that one. So there's the page numbers. So now I've got this document which is in normal view. You can see that This is the book, the completed book, if you like. You're just going through this. And if you needed to add chapter 3, chapter 4, you can just go back and pick up those chapters wherever they are by just going through this process again. Show, and then so you can just come back into this and click on insert, and then you can add the third chapter. So the idea is that you have multiple people working on a document. You can pull them all into one place. You can put the table of contents and page numbers on this document, the master document, and then you get the best of both worlds. People can work away. You see what they're doing straight away. You'll see it, and you'll be able to edit it yourself, or you can contact them and say, I need you to do X, Y, Z. So that's just a quick look at what master documents is all about. So hopefully it's of use. Thank you for your time. I'll catch you on the next one.